Alright, I'm going to try to get through a quick lesson for all the chords for Jingle Bell Rock. It looks like a lot, but actually, once you get the pattern down, I mean, it's not going to be the easiest song you've ever learned, but it's a great one, and it's not too terrible. So the intro and the verse, we're going to be dealing with this pattern mostly on a G chord, but we're going to do variations of a G chord. We have our traditional G chord, and then what we have is called the G major 7, and that's all the top 3 strings on the 2nd fret, still with the open G. And then we have the chord the G6, which is going to be open, 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret. And so what you notice is actually happening is it's all basically a G chord, and you could just strum G chord the whole time and you'd be fine. But while that G chord is going, you have this going on. And you're hearing that pattern. So during that verse, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. And then we get jingle bells, what are the words? Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. And so that time, doo-da, doo-da, in the melody. So again, it's got jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. And then the next line is also going to be alternating between some similar shapes. A minor 7, or A minor, sorry, A minor, and then D7. And the difference between A minor and D7 is very subtle. A minor has 2nd fret and the rest are open. D7 is 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret. I'm trying to get the camera to see really well there, and open. So snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. A. Now the jingle hop, D7, has begun. And then it repeats itself. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. And then we see that A minor 7, D7 again. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. A, in the frosty air. And this is always an important little turnaround. A turnaround is where you go from one section of a song to another section of a song, and you can use a chord that kind of grabs you. And that's that G to G7. Because we're adding this note here, which we have not seen this note. We've seen this note, and this note, and this note, but we haven't got that note yet. So there's your G7. In the frosty air, what a bright time is our C chord. And then C minor chord, you're going to have to bar across the 3rd fret. And you could do a C7, C minor 7, which would be barred all the way across, like that. But if you want to play true C minor, it's going to be 5th fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. So I'm using my 3rd finger here all the way across. So that's what a bright time, it's the right time, C minor, to rock the night away. That's another G, G7. Jingle bell time, that's our A, is a swell time. Then we land on a D and we stop to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. And then this D augmented simply means we're going to raise that note A to an A sharp. And so you have to do it here and here. So it'd be 3rd, 2nd, 2nd, 1st. And it's a crazy little chord to get. If that's too much, you can definitely just do the top 3 strings, 2nd, 2nd, 1st, like that. And that really sounds good. But it's just getting that note right there is really an important note. So that's that. Take it back from Jingle Bell Time is a swell time. Jingle Bell Time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. And I kind of like just leaving that out. I kind of like it with that G right there. That's fine as well. Anyway, so then when we do the verse, at the end it's going to be giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. And we go, now here's where it gets different. G6, jingle around the clock. On the word clock, we do a B minor chord. And it looks just like the C minor chord that we did up here on the 3rd and 5th fret. Now we're doing it on the 4th and 2nd fret. So it'll be 4th fret, 2nd, 2nd, 2nd. Jingle around the, and then on the word clock, we have an E7, 1st fret, 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret. It's a lot of chord right there. But once you get your fingers down, you're going to really love this turnaround right here. So we got jingle around the And then we see that C again, like at the beginning of the bridge. Mix and mingle in the C minor. Jingle in beat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.